Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I got to talk about how to make money using these two apps I got to mention in this video. So I would like you to stay with me to the end of the video for you not to miss out any tips and policies I got to mention and I got to show you in this video. So if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to get subscribed and turn on your notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Without further ado, let's move into the video. So over here in my screen, the particular app we got to use is called AppCamera. AppCamera is a platform that is here to allow you to make money just by testing people's apps, playing games and doing some bunch of things, interacting with the app, and then you make money. So I got to show you the review about the app and how it looks like for you not to miss out any tips and everything that I got to mention right here in this video. So right now you guys to see earn reward playing with apps is free. So you guys to earn reward when interacting with the app, playing games with the app, and then you make bunch of money with it. So over here, you guys see complete offer to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift card available in for iOS and Android users. So it's also available for iOS and Android user. So if you are an Android user, you are using Android or you are using iPhone, don't worry, this app is for you. You guys to make a lot of money and a lot of points using this app. So over you guys to see if you want to install, you guys to click on here, click install here and get 300 points. So when you click on that place, then to install it over here, you guys to get 300 points in your review. So over here, you guys also work as an referral rewards. You guys to work as an referral if you are a content creator, you are a YouTuber or blogger, something like that. You can also work as an referral reward. You can also share your links to your viewers, share your links to your audience, and then you start making 30% of their earnings in this particular website. So where guys you see share your link, invite links or refer code and earn 300% of what your referral earns. So you guys earn 300% whatever your referral person that's referring this particular website aims. And also YouTubers, bloggers and anyone interested in becoming an athlete can join the VIP referral program. If you have a social media presence, YouTube, enroll into VIP referral program. Benefits of VIP referral program. So you guys to see, I got to mention what it talks about. What is the VIP referral program? If you are looking for a sponsorship and all that, you guys to have these requirements in order to be into referral program. So I got to skip this to this particular side. Karma Plays lets you earn daily reward for playing with the app you have installed on App Karma. Simply keep the app that you are rewarding for, then play with it day to earn extra bonuses. So you guys to earn extra bonuses for doing or interacting with the app badge and get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badge. Install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times etc, and then you can be able to go for the revels and the rewards for that. And that's it for this particular one. So another one we got to talk about is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks, we all know what is Swagbucks. I have already experienced or I have already talked about this particular website in this place, and I guess you guys can remember. So this Swagbucks will allow you to take survey, watch videos, do a bunch of things interacting with the app, then you make money with it. And also you guys to get guys and also you guys to get $5 sign up whenever you sign up to this particular store. They got to give you bonus of $5 for starting, and you can make money just by watching ads and videos like I mentioned that also. And they accept signing up with Google and Facebook. You can go for that also. So get free you can earn points. So they have already paid $755 million to their members all over the world. Since the particular app is being created, they have paid around $755 million to their members, which is very great to start. So you can go over to the website and then register for it. But don't worry, I got to mention, I guess to bring out my links in the description below for you to use it to register, for you to get also 30% bonus in your first registration. So use the link in description down below for you to register. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by subscribing to the channel and turn on your notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.